Okay, college algebra, we should be able to do 4.4 in just one video because it's pretty basic. It's understanding how to put logarithms in your calculator and understanding how to put logarithms in your calculator which don't look like the ones that are the buttons on your calculator. Okay, so calculators have two log buttons. One just says log and one says ln, which should be right next to log. The log without a number in its base is log base 10 because 10 is the base of our number system. So if you see a logarithm listed with no base, the base is assumed to be 10. What that means is if you have log of 10 cubed, that's log base 10 of 10 cubed. You can bring the 3 out front. And remember, if the log and what's inside the base and the inside match, that's just 1. So this is just 3. Alternatively, you could just cancel them out at the beginning and let the 3 live. Or log of 1 over 10,000 is log of 1 minus log of 10,000, which is 10 to the 4th because it has 4 zeros. So it's 0 minus 4, which is negative 4. Similarly, you don't know what log 5 and log 20 are, but what you do know is that addition of two logarithms with the same base can be multiplication on the inside, and 5 times 20 is a convenient 100, which is 10 squared, so this is 2. Now, the ones below this ask you to just take logs of random numbers. They're really just designed for you to get used to pressing the button in the calculator. Now, the other logarithm button is the ln, and it's log base e, which is a basis for exponential growth. It's just a number. You'll be fine. So just like log and 10 cancel each other out, ln and e will cancel each other out. So when you have the ln of e to the 4th, that's 4 times the ln of e, which is just 4. Similarly, the ln of 1 over e to the 7 halves is ln of 1 minus the ln of e to the 7 halves, which is 0 minus 7 halves, or negative 7 halves. And lastly, the ln of the 5th root of e. Since e is just a number, we're going to write this as e to the 1/5 power, and then the ln and the e cancel, and you just get 1/5. Okay. And you're like, well, that's great and all. I like that I have a log base 10 and a log base e in my calculator, but there's a whole bunch of other numbers that I don't have in my calculator, so what happens if I have a log base 5 and I want to find the number? And it's not like an easy, nice one like these have been. We have what's called the change of base formula. So if you say I have something like log base 3 of 7, I mean, 7 is not 3 to a normal power. You can change it into either the log base 10 of 7 over the log of 3, or even the ln works, ln of 7 over ln of 3. The only rule is what's inside goes in the numerator. What the base of your logarithm originally is in the denominator. So log base 5 of 17 is really the log of 17 over the log of 5. And from there, you can put it in the calculator, Google, whatever you want. Let's see. Log of 17 divided by log of 5 is 1.76. Similarly, log of 0.1 over log of 2 is approximately negative 3 point something. Negative 3.32. And log base pi of 47 is the log of 47 over the log of pi. It doesn't discriminate. It works with numbers like pi. You get 3.36. I mean, it's really that simple to put these in the calculator. It's an easy section. One last thing to note, just like 10 and log base 10 are inverses, e and log and ln are inverses. That means e to the ln power, those two cancel, and the ln of e to a power cancels out the ln of e, and both of them leave the x. So if they ask you for the e to the ln of 54, e and ln cancel, and you've got 54. Now, it only cancels one e. So if you have e to the ln of 1 over e to the 4th, this e and ln can cancel, leaving 1 over e to the 4th. Alternatively, you could have changed this to e to the negative 4th power, brought the negative 4 out, and had that ln and e cancel, but it would have given you the same answer. Just one e or the other, not both. The ln of e to the x squared, ln and e again cancel, and you get x squared. And that's it for 4.4. Nothing terrible. 4.5 is long, and we'll do it probably tomorrow and not on Thursday, just to give you guys extra time going into the weekend, and I'll talk to you next time.